I knew it, spring was right around the corner. What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today I'm giving you a little monthly update. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. So here's some of the updates this month. We got some 3.5-inch lift coils. I'm sitting at 2.5 inches right now. I have the AEV coils, and those are kind of soft. So I'm hoping with these Krawler coils, it's a little bit more solid ride. I wanted to bump up another inch just to give myself that little bit of clearance, maybe go back to 37s. Eventually, I want to do 1 tons and 40s. If you haven't checked it out yet, Ben over at JK Gear and Gadgets, check out his YouTube channel. He's doing a complete video on how to put 1-ton axles under your Jeep JK. It's a really great series. He's going really into depth with it, so make sure you check that out if you're looking to put some 1-ton axles under your Jeep. So I got these 3.5-inch Krawler springs. That'll raise it up a little bit. Now I just need to get some shocks. I'm on a really tight budget, so I'm gonna be looking around trying to find a good used set. So if you know someone with a set, let me know, and I'll see if I can swing it into the budget, but I'll definitely need new shocks and either new lower control arms or some spacers or something to get me by for now. I'd like to get a lot of this stuff done before I go to Bantam and Crawling for Cops. Comment below if you guys are going to be down there. I'd love to meet up with you guys and maybe hit some trails too. Now, I've had a couple people asking how the green air filter is doing. I have to say the green air filter is phenomenal. I've seen about 1 to 2 miles per gallon increase. It's really given this old engine a little bit more pep to it. It has probably a few more horsepower. I don't have anything that I can accurately measure that and tell you guys, but I have seen my gas mileage improve, and it does feel like it has a little bit more power, so I'm gonna continue to run it. All right, and then we have the situation that is my horribly frozen garage. Hopefully this year, this summer, I'm planning to fix that. So we have this problem. It's probably a couple inches of ice still. I can't get this garage door open. I've tried chipping away at it with an ice pick. I can't seem to get it open, so what I want to do is I want to raise it up probably another level of cement blocks and try to get it so, and I'll put a ramp here, have a ramp coming down a little bit so it stays, all the water stays down here, and if it freezes in front of it, I'm not too concerned. I just don't want, I want to be able to open the door and get in and work on stuff. As you guys can see here, it's pretty rotted out, and this wall I think is just gonna go. I think I'm just gonna cut this wall out completely, and my idea is to make a kind of lean-to, take the pitch of this roof right here and kind of come out, and then down over here right past where Project No Name is, come out a little further and kind of box that area in, and in the front here just have a regular door so I can pull a vehicle in over here and then have more of a workshop and like a table and all my tools set up over here, so I have a whole lot more room instead of all the junk and toolboxes and stuff I have here. They'll be over here, and I can work on my Jeep or whatever I need to right in the garage, and I can actually get into it. That's the plan with the garage. If you guys want to help support it, I'll leave a link below to my Patreon, and that really helps me out, or I'll also leave a link in the description. I have some shirts. So this is the regular Bearded Jeeper design. It's just my logo, and it says "Stay Bearded, Stay Jeepin" on the back. So if you want one of those, I'll put a link in the description below. All the proceeds go directly back into the channel, whether it's help fix the garage, projects on the Jeep, camera equipment. If you can't give anything, that's fine. Just continue to watch my videos. I love getting the feedback on my videos, so if you want to see more of something, less of something, just let me know. I don't know if you guys saw, but this is my crappy third brake light, and it's not even mounted in there, it's just kind of hanging there. But that was so I could pass inspection. I have something coming in the works for that, so that'll be a lot better and it won't just flop around. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how the green air filter's doing, my plans for the Jeep going up to 3.5 inches with those rock crawler coils, my plans on the garage. Project No Name, I forgot to mention that. Project No Name is going to be going through a huge transformation. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because that is my learning how to fabricate project. I still need to get a good welder. The welder I was using is my dad's. I want to get one of my own. I want to be able to do both flux core and solid core wire. So I need to find something and find something within budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update video. It's getting warmer, so we're gonna start doing more projects on the Jeeps. It's supposed to be around 40 degrees, which is a hell of a lot warmer than it has been. As always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin', I'm out.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was